Hey everyone, I'm Mark Sievers, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cheese tortellini soup with white beans. One of my favorite quick and simple winter lunches, great for dinner. It's a staple in my house, especially when I have a long day and I need something that's going to feel really good in my tummy and be really satisfying. So let me show you exactly what I have going on in my pot. In the previous video, I showed you how to amp up flavor in a regular store-bought vegetable broth. And for this recipe, I've even amped it up even more by adding fresh saffron. So saffron threads, as you can see, are the stamens of crocuses. And it has a really beautiful flavor, very aromatic, and I think a little bit spicy. Some people think it's floral, some people think it kind of reminds them of honey. I think it just has really great flavor, and it's a beautiful color too. So in the store-bought vegetable broth, I'll show you what I have. I have vegetable broth, fresh garlic cloves, a big bundle of thyme, which you can see has the little leaves have all fallen off as it's been infusing here. And this is a really simple recipe. So first it's been infusing for about 15 minutes. These measurements are on my website, marcsievers.com, so don't worry about having to write everything down. Sit back and relax and enjoy. Taking out the thyme bundle, and I'm also going to take out the garlic cloves. And instead of discarding them, I'm actually going to crush them and make them into a paste just like this and add it back into the broth. This, of course, is going to give you amazing garlicky flavor, which all of this flavor will be absorbed by the white beans and the tortellini. And I didn't go and make tortellini for this fresh from scratch. I actually got some fresh ones from the grocery store. You can also use frozen ones. I would just thaw them out in the refrigerator overnight before you put them into the soup. And I also have white beans. White beans are a beautiful velvety texture. I have 1 can of white beans that have been really well rinsed and drained. And I put them in right at the very end with the cheese tortellini because I don't want to overcook the beans and make them mushy. I want them to still have great texture and great flavor to them. Fresh tortellini cook really, really, really quick. So while those cook, let me quickly get a bowl so I can plate them up for you. So I also love, on white bean and cheese tortellini soup, a little bit of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. So this is going to be a lovely treat for yourself or whoever you're serving this to. Fresh tortellini, like I said, cooks very, very quick, and in just about a minute and a half, I think it's done. I like it to have a nice bite to it, very al dente, and I think it adds to kind of that rustic cooking, which I love so much. To make a big ladle of this beautiful soup. Wait till you see it. The tortellini absorb the color of the saffron. It has amazing flavor. I'm going to put a big sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan cheese onto this. You could top it with a little fresh basil. You could top it with some fresh parsley, or you can eat it just like this. So let's see how this tastes. Ooh, this is hot. That broth is like the star of this dish. It's so beautiful, it's so aromatic. The crushed garlic is going to add so much flavor to this, and I'd say this is a perfect lunch, dinner, or even just a cozy little couch time treat while watching a good movie. If you like this video, which I hope you did, subscribe to my channel and press the little notification bell so you're notified of all my new videos as soon as they post. Head over to marcsievers.com for the full written recipe and all the measurements for my cheese tortellini soup with white beans, lots of other entertaining ideas, and of course, kitchen tips and tricks. Until next time, bye guys.